Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader DC in Windows 11. So guys, to uninstall and remove Adobe Acrobat from your Windows 11, just follow some easy steps. First one, click on Start Settings. Here click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Now guys, in this list you have to find out Adobe Acrobat DC, then click on this three dot. Here the option uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. If you are sure, click on uninstall. So this way guys, you can uninstall and delete Adobe Acrobat DC on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.